everyone. So we're over here at Efteling and we're riding Bob. This is a classic Intamin bobsled coaster. And sadly, this is its last year of operation here in 2019. It's going to make way for an amazing new family coaster. But we're gonna take one last ride on Bob because these Intamin bobsleds, they're still a lot of fun and we like them. Hang on, because this ride could get a little bumpy. Ready? Oh man, here we go. Like I said, it does bounce you around a little bit. Oh man. And here we go. The final bit. And there you have it. My last ever ride on Bob here at Efteling. Like I said, sad to see it go, but happy to see a new coaster come here in 2020. Bye everybody.